Hey guys, in this video we have the 16 scale TRAXXAS slash. Wait, why did I say slash? I don't know, I was just thinking about my slash. Anyways, the 16 scale TRAXXAS E-revo and a RC airplane that I tried to make using stuff from an old RC rock crawler that I had. But the motor wasn't fast enough, the thing was heavy, and the propeller was not big enough, or did not pull the wind enough. I don't know much about cars. I mean airplanes, so I don't really know. Probably just too heavy. But anyways, in this video, we're gonna run that into that, and it's gonna be totally epic. Kevin Talbot. Okay, guys. So I opened up my door so I have more room to get a run up, so I can hit higher speeds before I hit the plane. I open up my door going into the hallway. I'm gonna walk out there. The car is gonna come ripping through here. It's gonna smack the plane right in the side.
And smash it.
I crashed it into my door frame.
Uh-oh.
It looks like it's alright. We got metal A-arms on it. Should be fine. I kind of missed. I hit the rear of the plane a little bit back here somewhere. I don't know. So, I'm gonna put it like this. Or actually, we're gonna put it like this. And we're gonna go for round 2. We'll be back in a second. Oh! That did some damage. Crushed the wing. I don't know what else it did. Now we're gonna let my 8-year-old brother drive it.
Yay!
Okay, now he's gonna wheelie it right into the nose of the plane. Go. Oh, that crushed it. Oh, that did some damage. Oh, man. All that thing's gone. Oh, I don't know what else. So we're gonna do it again. Ha! Send it. Oh! Oh, the wings are almost off. Oh. Oh, battery's out. Oh, man. Poor plane. Let's do it again. Oh, man. He is just destroying this plane. Can't even fight back. I fixed it. Not really. Anyways, we're gonna do it again. The motor came out. Ah, the motor came out of the thing that was holding it. Hit that one pretty hard. And that's about it. That happened. Well,
Let's do it again.
he says we should do it again, but I have a better idea. We're gonna set up a jump and we're gonna land on top of it. Okay, guys, we got a little piece of wood and a Nike box that I have one of those junk RC cars in, the alligator looking one that costs like 25 bucks. And here we got the airplane. I'm gonna jump it. Go! Yeah, that wasn't much of a jump. My turn now. Oh man, it went over it. We're just gonna ram it a couple more times. Oh, turned it into a jump. Nice. gonna come up the ramp, hit this thing, and it's gonna totally just destroy it. Go. Oh man. Oh. We're gonna do it again because it's not totally destroyed. This time we're gonna go backwards. Should I do it again? Oh man. Okay guys, I think that's enough for this video. This plane kind of got the crap beat out of it, and so beat up, can't really do much more. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, and the like button, which I don't really care if you hit the like, but you should do it, just cause. And I don't know, just subscribe. Tell everybody you know to subscribe also, because I need more subscribers.
We'll be in the next video, guys.
Yeah, see you in the next video.
Is that out?
Yeah, go.